Hello, my name is Joe Braga, West Coast rep for Checkmate Lasers out of Las Vegas, owned by Louis Alvarez. Today's video is going to entail how we interface the CorelDRAW software, which is I own CorelDRAWtraining.com, working with Louis, and also how to use the interface, which is the XMDRAW interface, which is a very advanced print driver. Now, once we're into the interface, you will see the normal controls here for stop, start, pause, jogging, Tatum, the different levels that you would see with any iCut type software. And then you'll see, unlike normal print drivers, you have controls and you can add and subtract, where a normal print driver only takes what you have in CorelDRAW, and you can use it that way, or you can add to it. Now, what we like is that when we go in here, you will see that I've made multiples here. And we're going to do File and New, and I'm going to tell it, no, I don't need to save that. And then I'm going to type, and I'm going to draw me a box out. This is the size of the box that I'm going to make my graphic in. I have my text here, and I have my size, and then what font I'm going to use. Then drop that on the screen, and then I can go into the array here, and I can tell it that I want to make make copies. I don't really need a gap. And then you can notice it automatically goes out and makes me an array. Now I can have gaps in between, and notice I made that gap 0, so that's why they're on top of each other like that. Or I can undo and start over. Now, one of the things that you will see is that when you go here, I'm drawing a box, and I set the box, and I have coordinates. You don't have that with a normal print driver. You also have the ability to edit and drop in different kinds of graphics. So if I go over here back to my CorelDRAW, and I wiggle over to a graphic that I've made in Corel, and notice with this graphic I put in fill points, because we can also use checkmates. We also have routers, so we have regular hatch fills. And I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go File and New again, and drop in. I really don't need to save that. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. File and New. And now, now when I import, I'm going to import this drawing. I'm going to click on it. And unlike most, it will actually preview a vector. Most graphics won't preview a vector. CorelDRAW won't preview a vector. Then drop the DXF into my unit, and there it is. It's ready to go. You show it shows it has one layer. I can use my datum and move around here. I also have the ability to let me go back here and see if it'll undo. Yes, it will. And then I'm going to go in, and I'm going to tell it to import this time, but I'm not going to tell it to import from there. I'm going to tell it to import from another section, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go down to where I know I have some bitmaps. And there's the bitmaps. And again, let me slide down, and we're going to drop this bitmap onto the screen. And this is a picture of the USS Missouri. And again, like I say, you have your normal graphics bar here, or menu bar, and you have your normal property bar. And you have group, ungrouping, you have your array, you have your line to point, but you also have the ability to control where it starts vectoring, where it doesn't. You have all your alignment tools, and then you have the ability to mirror objects. But in this case, I'm going to go under Tools, I'm going to go to Halftones. It's a normal halftone gap, and you control it. And this is good when I'm trying to do photographs onto wood or plastic. And boom, that halftone, it's ready to go. So a lot of programs don't have that. Print drivers do not have this at all. And you will be happy with it. And like I say, you can use it as a glorified print driver and do everything in CorelDRAW. We sell the CorelDRAW training course. It comes with the laser. We sell it independently for $150. Or you can add things to your interface, and you just need to put simple text on the screen and drop it in. Thank you.